Welcome back to the Travel Nerd channel, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most incredible cuisines. Today, in our quest to uncover the most delectable global flavors, we're setting sail on an extraordinary culinary journey that will transport you straight to the bustling streets and vibrant markets of Thailand. With Thai food, top 12 must-eat local dishes in Thailand as our guiding theme, we'll be diving headfirst into the heart of Thai cuisine. But before we delve into the enchanting world of Thai flavors, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give that like button a friendly tap so you can stay fully updated with all our global culinary adventures. Pad Thai. Our culinary expedition begins with the undisputed superstar of Thai cuisine, Pad Thai. Picture this: tender stir-fried rice noodles dancing in a wok with eggs, fish sauce, tamarind pulp, red chili pepper, and your choice of succulent chicken, shrimp, or tofu. This symphony of flavors is then crowned with crushed peanuts, bean sprouts, a spritz of lime, and fragrant Thai basil. The harmonious blend of sweet, sour, and spicy notes creates a medley that's nothing short of addictive. And the best part? You can savor this mouth-watering delight from street vendors across Thailand. Yum Goong. Next on our culinary map is Yum Goong, a hot and sour shrimp soup that's the ultimate Thai comfort food. Imagine a fragrant broth infused with lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves, all embracing plump, juicy shrimp, mushrooms, fish sauce, and fiery chili peppers. The complexity of flavors, from the herbaceous aroma to the fiery kick, makes Yum Goong an absolute must-try experience. Som Tam. Now, let's venture to Thailand's northeast Isan region, where we uncover Som Tam, also known as green papaya salad. This refreshing creation starts with shredded unripened papaya, which is then lovingly mixed with tomatoes, peanuts, dried shrimp, fish sauce, tamarind, and an abundance of palm sugar and chilies. Prepared traditionally in a mortar and pestle, the resulting dish boasts a tantalizing blend of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors, combined with a variety of textures. Som Tam is the perfect introduction to a Thai feast, whether as a stellar starter or a light, invigorating lunch. Massaman Curry. Our gastronomic journey continues with Massaman Curry, a dish that bears Persian influences. This curry distinguishes itself with a thicker consistency and deeper, sweeter flavors compared to other Thai curries. Picture succulent chicken or beef slow-cooked with tender potatoes, onions, fragrant spices like cinnamon and star anise, crunchy peanuts, and a velvety embrace of coconut milk. Unlike the fiery intensity of red or green curries, Massaman offers a more approachable level of spiciness, making it a delightful choice for both seasoned and novice Thai food aficionados. Khao Soi. Prepare to be captivated by Khao Soi, a comforting coconut curry noodle soup hailing from northern Thailand. This extraordinary dish features tender chicken, crispy fried noodles, and boiled egg noodles luxuriating in a rich, creamy curry broth. To add depth and contrast, it's garnished with pickled cabbage, sliced shallots, a squeeze of lime, and a drizzle of spicy chili oil. The intricate interplay of flavors and textures in Khao Soi will undoubtedly leave you yearning for more. Gaeng Keow Wan Gai. Let's now dive into the vivid world of Gaeng Keow Wan Gai, renowned for its striking green color and spicy kick. What sets this dish apart is its green curry paste, crafted from fresh green chilies, garlic, shallots, lemongrass, and galangal. Within this vibrant paste, chicken, eggplant, bamboo shoots, and sweet basil are lovingly simmered in the lush embrace of coconut milk. The result? A curry that's rich, aromatic, and irresistibly bold. Just be prepared for the potential heat from those chopped bird's eye chilies. Khao Pad. Our journey now brings us to Khao Pad, Thai fried rice that's as customizable as it is flavorful. You can select your preferred protein, whether it's succulent meat, eggs, or tofu, and watch as it sizzles in a wok with garlic, onions, fish sauce, soy sauce, and a bouquet of fresh herbs like cilantro and green onions. The star of the show? Fragrant jasmine rice, wok fried to perfection. Khao Pad offers a quick, filling meal with fresh, vibrant flavors, making it a safe and convenient choice for picky eaters and seasoned foodies alike. Pad Kra Pao. Brace yourself for an explosion of flavors with Pad Kra Pao. This fiery delight features stir-fried minced pork or chicken harmoniously meeting fragrant basil, green beans, garlic, and Thai chilies. Sizzled up with a blend of fish sauce, oyster sauce, and soy, this dish is then served atop a mound of rice, crowned with a fried egg. The medley of sweet and salty flavors, punctuated by the fresh Thai basil, transforms Pad Kra Pao into a stellar one-plate meal. Be ready for the exhilarating heat of those finely chopped bird's eye chilies. Larb. Our culinary quest takes us back to Thailand's northeastern Isan region for a rendezvous with Larb Salad. This dish, heavily influenced by neighboring Laos, stars minced chicken or pork, tossed with a captivating blend of fish sauce, lime juice, toasted rice powder, shallots, cilantro, and a generous portion of ground chilies. The result? A salad that's hot, herby, and bursting with zing. Typically served with crisp cabbage, refreshing cucumbers, and fragrant mint leaves, larb offers a delightful contrast to its intense spice. Tom Kha Gai. Now, let's delve into the comforting embrace of Tom Kha Gai, a coconut soup that's sure to warm your heart. Sliced chicken, aromatic galangal, fragrant lemongrass, lime leaves, tender mushrooms, fiery chilies, and a touch of fish sauce gently simmer in a creamy coconut broth. The addition of coconut milk tempers the heat, allowing the aromatic herbs and spices to shine through. Tom Kha Gai is the milder, sweeter cousin of Tom Yum Goong, but is no less rich in complex Thai flavors. Khao na Mamuang. As our culinary expedition draws to a close, we mustn't forget the classic Thai dessert that's the perfect finale to any meal, Khao na Mamuang. Sweet, ripe mango slices elegantly paired with sticky rice, steamed in creamy coconut milk, and generously drizzled with sweetened condensed milk. It's a refreshingly decadent treat that has captured the hearts of dessert lovers around the world. Thai iced tea. Before we bid farewell to this culinary voyage, let's savor the delightful Thai iced tea. Crafted from robust black tea, condensed milk, and aromatic spices like star anise and orange blossom, this sweet, creamy, amber-hued beverage is the ultimate refresher in Thailand's tropical climate. Whether enjoyed at a street stall or a high-end restaurant, Thai iced tea is the perfect companion to balance the fiery Thai flavors. And there you have it, fellow travelers and food enthusiasts, a tantalizing glimpse into the top 12 must-eat local dishes in Thailand. Thailand's culinary landscape is a breathtaking tapestry of flavors, spices, and textures, influenced by cultures from across Asia. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just embarking on your culinary journey, these dishes are a gateway to an unforgettable taste adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to the Travel Nerd channel for more delectable adventures from around the world, and be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this culinary exploration. With that said, thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey, and until next time, happy eating!